Hey, Cordell Davenport here with Small Apartment Inspector. It's a mobile app that does inspections and maintenance requests. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to stay on top of your safety and maintenance of your small apartment building. That is, if you are the ones that are actually managing your building. It's very important you do so. And a little bit about the app that I have. You can check it out on smalapartmentinspector.com. I have exterior checklist, preventive maintenance checklist, maintenance questionnaires, move in, move out checklist, and reports that the tenant signs and you sign all on the phone, digitally, or it could be an iPad. Doesn't matter. Make unit ready checklist and yearly unit inspection checklist. The app helps you find evidence and document facts. Check it out. You can read all about it right here on this website, smalapartmentinspector.com. All right. Now, safety and maintenance are connected to one another. And to help you be on track, through my research, it's recommended what the big boys do is like 2 times a year, send out like a questionnaire that your tenants will actually fill out. I don't know if you know about Google Forms, but Google has Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides. There's this other form that's called Google Forms, where you can do it all online, send it to the tenant through an email, and then from their answers, it will come right back to you. And you have everything stored. So you can prove that you're staying a point, that you're not being a negligent landlord. But it also helps you be aware of what's going on, and the tenants know that, hey, you care because you're actually staying on point, staying on top of things. And the goal is for them to list any problems that they see in their unit or even on the grounds. Okay. Now, I am not going to just read off all of these bullets that you see here. But what you can do is go make a Google form, as I mentioned, like a little survey, and send it to them. And then have them fill out information, what you see here. Take a screenshot of this with your phone, whatever, however you want to do it. But this can be your template. Use this going forward. And that's it. All right. So I hope it's been helpful. Check out smalapartmentinspector.com. There's a lot of things I put on that particular page. But once you're there, click around. I have other things on there that's going to surprise you. I don't want to spoil it, but go ahead. Check me out, smalapartmentinspector.com. All right. And also the other website that you can see when you get on there, smalapartmentinvestors.com. Take care. Adios.